What we have here is a Kato ES44AC that has had ESU LokSound. It has a select direct 73100 board fitted into it. So I'm just going to take off the shell and showcase that real fast. Basically, the frame's been machined, so we'll take this decoder that it was not designed for, but it takes it now. It's got a 8x15 speaker with a 3D housing that I printed, rear light, clips, LEDs, all that fun stuff. So it's been modified to fit there. So we will just throw that all back on there. Throw this together. Throw it on the track. And let's start the sequence up. And got a forward headlight. I don't know if you can really see it from that angle. We got some bell action. And some horn. And we got motion. And I'm going to turn that bell off. There you go. Have a great day.